To play the Mario Kart World together with the hot seat option on Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, you will need to remove both of the controllers by clicking on this button, basically on both of them, and then they will just snap out. Then when you have the controllers, JoyCons removed, navigate to the controllers right here as you can see, and click on A. Then we can go for the change grip/order, and now you need to first grab the orange controller and press on SLSR button like this. Then grab another controller and do the same thing. Now when you have that ready, you need to press on the A button or the arrow button. Now we need to navigate to our game, so in this case it will look like this, so we need to find and select our game so we can actually play it. Then the arrows will act as an A, then we have X right here, Y right here, and B right here. Now we need to start the game, so click on any of those buttons. Select multiplayer and choose the amount of players you want to use, and then click on OK. Now we have, as you can see, both of the controllers. Give the other controller to the other player, and you're ready to begin the game. You can pick the race or whatever you want. Select your characters. And our game is basically ready, so I won't be bothering you with the rest, so you can choose the race, etc. and start playing. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.